Today we have the SKIL Rechargeable Screwdriver with circuit sensor technology. Let's go ahead and unbox this and review it. Alright, so here it is. It's the SKIL Rechargeable Screwdriver with circuit sensor technology. And this one is the SD561201 model here. SKIL does have a 3-year warranty on their tools, and you can extend it to a 5-year warranty. Just go to registermyskill.com. So we got this mainly for my wife because she needed some kind of handy dandy, smaller, compact tool for her embroidery machines that she purchased. She does embroidering now, so if you guys want to check that out, it's called Seamingly Sewprising on YouTube. But she needed something where she can take apart her sewing machines if she had to for repairs or maintenance. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is how it comes in the packaging. Okay, so it just kind of comes out like that, and it just shows you here it does have a charge before first use. Okay, so we have it plugged in right now. It's charging. As you can see, the green light is flashing. It says once the green light goes solid green, it is good to go. Let's see what it all comes with here. So here's the owner's manual. So that's good to go there. So we have the bits that it comes with in the bag and its own USB charging cable here. So while it's charging, I just want to show you some of the features here. So when it's charging, it will not operate. But you can push the circuit detector button and it'll tell you that there's power in the outlet or just running through the cables or whatnot of anything you're looking at. This guy will detect that for you. You just put this up against whatever item you're trying to see if it has electricity, and it will go off if it does have power running through it. So let's let this guy completely charge and we'll go from there. Alright you guys, now we got it charged. Definitely goes right and left. You just give it a little twist. You got this these two LED lights that are really bright. So yeah, forward and reverse, or right and left. And remember, this is a quick release collet here, which is nice to have. And then we'll show you guys how the circuit sensor works here. Let's just go ahead and see how these guys pop in here. Let's try with the drill bit. Yeah, so it locks in nice and secure. So these guys pop in and out just fine. Locks in securely. Looks like it only has one speed. Let's do a Phillips one here. Alright, let's see if it just pops in without pulling it back. Now you got to pull it back and then it locks it in. But again, very comfortable in the hand. Easy to use. You can use it, you know, push up against the wall or the item and do it this way, or you can do it with one hand. No problem there. So that's nice. Love the LED lights. Let's go ahead and see how much this guy weighs. Alright, we got my Cen-Tech scale here, my digital scale. We got it in pounds and ounces. Let's see how much this guy weighs with a bit in it. 8 ounces. So half a pound is what we're looking at with this guy. So very light, very capable. I don't know the run time yet as far as how long the battery will last or how long it takes to charge it. So hopefully I can give you guys an update in the future in the description. I'll also put the Cen-Tech link in the description below as well if you guys are looking for a digital scale. This guy holds up to 70 pounds. It's got nice, all the black areas are a nice rubber grip there. So it gives you a nice secure grip. Feels very solid, a nice structure there. Being durable and capable of taking some hits, so I don't see that being a problem. That's pretty much everything. We're going to show you the circuit sensor and how that works, and then we will go from there. Okay, so for example, if you want to see if there's power running through the outlet here, you just line this guy, this symbol here, this lightning symbol right next to the outlet. That tells you there's power running through right there. So that's how you can verify circuits here. It's a nice feature. Yes, that's a bright LED, 2 LEDs there. But let's see how quickly it takes off the screw here. Much better than a standard screwdriver, I'm sure. Here we go. Yeah, no problem. You can just take these guys off much more quickly if you ever need to access behind the panel there. There you go. Much faster, less effort, saves time. Okay, so this is what my wife has been using. Just a ratcheting manual screwdriver. And so she just wanted something that'd be a little faster. So we got this one for her. And Here is the item that she just wanted to be able to loosen and tighten much faster with the spring there instead of ratcheting away. Now we looked at quite a few different ones. We looked at the Gyroscopic or Gyroscopic DEWALT one. That was like $70, so we saw this one for $26 and some change and said, you know, it's not much more than a standard screwdriver and it doesn't take batteries. It's a rechargeable one, right? So it's USB rechargeable. All right, so this is the item here. And as you can see, it's much faster to tighten it up or loosen it. It'll just be easy for her to do the job there. When she's making big orders, I think we found the solution for her. So it just works much better than doing this all day, right? This guy is doing the job for her. She's gonna love it. As you can see, it's definitely a nice tool for around the house and for things, little DIY projects like this. All right, we're gonna drill a hole with the size 332 bit here. It's 332, so we're gonna go ahead and drill a hole, see how long it takes to get through this 2x4. Yeah, gets through it, no problem. Let's try it with the 1/8 bit and see how it does. See if we can get through this 2x4 as well. Yeah, it pushes through no problem. But I just want to see how much power this guy has and see how capable it is. So let's see if it gets through with the 1/4 inch. So it'll get through with the 1/4 inch, but it's definitely pushing it. If you want to get a drill bit up to 1/4 inch through a 2x4 for any reason, because, you know, let's say it's the only tool you have on hand, it can do it for you. All right, so I hope that review was gave you some information on this to see if you guys wanted one for yourself at the house. Definitely a must-have for some DIY projects or even on the job. I know I could have used something like this when I worked at Google Fiber as a contractor. So this is a great tool to have on hand. If you're able to get yourself one, I highly recommend it. This is the USB Rechargeable SKIL Screwdriver. And the USB port's right here on the back. And again, very rugged, very durable. Quick release collet. 2 LED lights for darker places. Again, just well made, well constructed. And remember, it has a 3-year warranty. And you can extend it to 5 years if you just register it online. So once again, here at Mastering Mayhem, we appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, we are looking for the best tools, tech, DIYs, and deals to make life a little easier and work more efficient. Until next time, I only hope all the best to you and yours.